In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your payout details in settings and payments. To get started, open your account and head to the settings area. Once you're there, look for the payments section. This is where you'll manage the information needed to receive payouts. So take a moment to make sure you're in the correct place before moving on. If your platform has several tabs or menu options, simply stay focused on payments, since that's where the setup happens. Next, you'll need to select your country of residence and choose your account type. In most cases, you'll be asked to pick either an individual account or a business account. Be sure to choose the option that matches how you plan to receive payments. This matters because it affects the kind of information the system may ask you to provide. Your country selection is also important since payout requirements can vary depending on where you live. After that, fill in your personal details carefully. This usually includes your legal name, your address, and your date of birth. In some cases, you may also be asked for a tax identification number, depending on your region and account type. It's important to enter everything exactly as it appears on your official documents and banking records. Small mistakes here can delay verification or cause payout issues later, so it's worth double-checking every field before you continue. Once your personal information is complete, enter your bank details. Specifically, you'll need your bank's routing number and your account number. These numbers tell the system where your payout should be sent. When typing them in, go slowly and verify each digit carefully. A simple typo can send payments to the wrong place or prevent them from being processed. If you're not sure where to find these numbers, they're often available in your online banking portal or on official bank documents. Finally, click Save to complete your payout setup. After saving, it's a good idea to review the information on the screen and confirm that everything looks correct. If the platform shows any alerts, missing fields, or verification requests, take care of those right away so your payouts can be processed without unnecessary delays. And that's it. Once your payment details are saved correctly, your payout setup should be complete and ready to